In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Zoho Books in 2025. Whether you're expanding into new markets or simply need to work with a different currency, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's begin by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to head over to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can get an overview of your financial data and the health of your business at a glance. It's important to become familiar with this space, as it gives you a high-level look at your operations. Next, you need to go into your settings. Look for the settings option on the dashboard. This is where all your configuration options are housed. It's kind of like the control room for your Zoho Books experience, managing everything from user permissions to taxes, and in our case, currencies. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new menu. Now, once you're in the settings, direct your attention to the organization tab. Here, you're going to find options that specifically relate to your organization as a whole. It's crucial to remember that changes here may have broader implications, so it's always a good idea to double check that you're in the right area. Then click on the currencies option. This section will display all currency settings for your account. It's a critical step because it shows you a complete list of all the currencies currently supported. You'll often find the base currency here, the currency that serves as the primary reference point for your financial reports and calculations. Take a moment to look for your base currency as it currently stands. Identifying your current configuration is helpful for understanding how your financial data aligns with local or international operations. Once you've found it, the plan is to move forward to changing it. Go ahead and click on the Change Base Currency option. This action will allow you to select a new primary currency for your account, which can affect certain calculations and reports in your system, so be aware of this before proceeding. To see your options, click on the drop-down icon. The drop-down will present a list of different currencies you can choose from. It's worth taking a moment to review these. Make sure the currency you are selecting is the one you really intend to use. When you've decided on a new currency, select it to ensure this is the choice you want to proceed with. After selecting your desired currency, the final action is to hit Save. This step is crucial as clicking Save commits your changes and you'll see them reflected throughout your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency in Zoho Books. Keep track of your settings to ensure everything functions smoothly with your new currency configuration.